fit in, it ends up in misery, yeah. Socializing doesn't fit me, but I can get away so easy. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids, it's all overrated. No, I never missed it. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids, it's all overrated. I just didn't read it. I'm a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner. I'm an outlaw in this world. I'm solo dancing.
Time to put the last one on. Let's go.
I can feel the eyes all staring, but I don't care about them saying I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids, it's all overrated. No, I never missed it. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids, it's all overrated. I just didn't read it. I'm a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner.
Okay, so it's a big moment now. We're going to put the front bumper on and hopefully, finally, we'll start seeing the SVJ taking shape. Let's go, Chris. Let's do this. Come on, do it. Put it in the car. Get down.
I'm a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner. I'm an outlaw in this world. I'm a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner. I'm an outlaw in this world.
Right, guys, so we are now, I would like to say nearing the end phase, but we seem to find more and more obstacles to get over, like this one. So this is the SVJ rear exhaust tips that we're fitting, and obviously where the car is not an SVJ, it doesn't have all the correct mounting brackets and points to mount the exhaust tips to, so we are having to make them ourselves.
What do you pay?
As you can see here, these are brackets that we've cut that are going to bolt to the original chassis of the car and then bolt to the actual tips themselves and hold them in place. And once we've got it where we want them, we'll take the bumper back off and then we mount the bottom brackets of the exhaust tips in the right place, and that should hopefully get over that problem. Then we can go ahead and reassemble the back end, put the bumper on properly. Can you stop fucking yawning? What's the matter with you?
You're boring me.
Shut up, you fool. And then yeah, get the spoiler panel on and the engine in. I'm actually really happy that the solution that I've come up with for the exhaust tips has really worked a treat. What?
My fucking idea.
You lying little How the hell? Who came up with that solution? Me or you?
I came up with the solution.
You.
Car first, not the
This guy, he's full of shit. Doesn't give credit where it's due, yeah? Give credit where it's due, yeah? Lead by example. No, he actually did have a good idea for putting exhaust tips onto the pipes before putting the bumper on, which is pretty much common sense, really. It's this part that's awkward, but we've got over it, so that's the main thing. I actually thought it was going to be a lot more complicated than it was, and it turns out something that I've been worrying about for quite some time has turned out to be probably the most easiest to get over.
Doesn't fit me, but I can get away so easy. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids, it's all overrated. No, I never missed it. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids, it's all overrated. I just didn't read it. I'm a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner. I'm an outlaw in this world. solo dancing on your body. Crazy on my own, but all in. I can feel the eyes of that.